What's up guys, I just wanted to take a minute to shout out the sponsor of today's video, Shine Armor. Shine Armor was kind enough to send me these products. First up is this Graphene Ceramic Spray. So basically, Graphene Ceramic Spray is a highly concentrated DIY graphene ceramic coating. It's perfect on its own, or you can use it as an added ceramic coating or waxes. It protects your paint from harmful UV rays, water, dirt, dust, and debris on contact. And it's super easy to apply. You literally just spray it on there and wipe it off. So next up is this Nano glass coating, and it improves your visibility while driving by repelling rain, sleet, or snow. And it also can protect your windshield from mineral deposits. Depending on your weather and environmental conditions, one application of this can last up to 3 months. And lastly, if you're tired of bad odors in your car, then check out this Odor Eliminator. I got the eucalyptus and mint smell, and it's effective against a variety of malodors. And this stuff can be used on your car's carpet or any hard surface, and it comes in 4 flavors. You have lavender, eucalyptus, leather, and pumpkin spice, but I like this one the best. And if you're interested in any of these products, then go ahead and click the link in the description below. Every purchase through that link gets you 20% off, so go ahead and check it out. Now let's get back to today's video.